Today, we've shared the story of several seed stock producers who go above and beyond caring for their animals. And one key factor in that care is improved cattle handling to help keep the animals calm and easy to work with. So let's turn things over to two of our favorite experts in this area with a taste of a training session from a recent NCBA Stockmanship and Stewardship event.
If I speed this side up over here, it's going to send them right out the gate. Now I got to step over here and speed this side up to send them on through the gate. And I'll just, it's like I'm driving a team. I'll keep sending sides. Because I'm at the back of the cattle, and I got to send those cattle forward. Come on. I got to send them forward through, and then I got to keep coming back, send this side up. Now I'll send this side over. I'll just zigzag back. I'll send this side through. Now I'll send this side up, and I'll have to hustle up over here just a little bit. And I'll roll these guys right on around. I'll roll them around, roll them around. Now I got to come to this side, send these on up. I'm still looking out at the front. Send him through. Now I'm going to hustle over here. I'm going to draw this thing. This is the one we had in first. I'm going to draw him right around in there. And I'll switch eyes. Good.
And we'll draw them around and put them in this side?
Yeah. And it's nice to have a gate to go through so they have a little more distance to go. Then they'll start really understanding why they want to draw.
Yeah, now see, these others are not looking, but these little heifers, these heifers are looking for their herd mates. So I'm going to use them as my draw. And if I can empty a pen by not having to go get them and draw these cattle out, knows I can back up and create more draw. That speed helps bring cattle to me. And I don't have to go over there and push them anyway. So we've changed the dynamic a little bit here in the corral. So all I've done is set them up for success, use the first ones to draw the rest ones in. That's going to be important as we try to create flow through this system. We got to create draw and flow. All right? So to me, that's what I want them to do. If I put pressure on them, they come to me, go through the gate. I didn't have to do anything, did I? But open the gate. Notice they are looking. So I want to get these cattle where they'll draw through here as well. So if they weren't looking and looking off the other way, I would probably go put some pressure on them to draw their attention just like Curt did here. I want to step in here, try to draw them out of that corner. If they go back, I'm going to just keep trying to draw eyes out until I get some flow down. Now, once again, they're not going to leave until I get them all turned and go in the same direction. They know the gate's open. We're just about to get ready to go. I'm going to send old bugger in there and see if I can get them to move. Now, here I want to stay out a little bit, push on this one's eye. I'm not really worried about him going behind the gate. By not focusing on him, he figured out how to get around the gate. Now this is the same place that we talked about earlier about not keeping enough pressure on them, so I'm going to put a little more pressure on these, get my flow through there. Raise my hand is enough to put some pressure. And then I can feed these in behind. He's wanting to go away from me. I'm going to try to put pressure on him to where it's really a good idea to go that way. Once again, that draw to get them to go and then try to put that movement through there. One, if we're going to work these cattle, we've got to get them used to going through this system and across these bars. I don't know how many times I've heard how important it is to not have any obstacles in the way. There's all sorts of obstacles in here, in the ground, pipes we're crossing. It may have slowed them down a little bit, but not much.
Want to know how you can get your own cattle handling training with Curt Pate and Gill? Just visit stockmanshipandstewardship.org for details on these can't-miss educational experiences.